Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So this is a very simple quick hairstyle for those that don't know how to braid or make hair at all. It's a very straightforward, fancy cute hairstyle. I think you should try on a baby girl. It's good for any occasion. So just watch and see how I design this hair in just few minutes. So I divided the hair to create a style-like look at the middle of the hair. Okay, so I divided the hair into 5 equal parts, but you can as well go more than 5 or less than 5. But the most important thing is that you have to make sure that it all meets at the middle of the head, okay, to create the style-like look. So watch and see the way I'm doing it to get that that look at the end of the day. So don't mind that the parts are not looking neat. That will be taken care of with shine and jam, and I won't be showing the process here because I've done that several times in my previous videos. You can check it out. So guys, like I said before, I use shine and jam to clean the parts, make it look cleaner. So as you can see in the video, I've already done 3. So I'm gonna use this particular one to show you guys exactly how it's done. So I comb the hair properly, to get the exact length of the hair, then use a yarn thread to secure the root of the hair before threading it with a Brazilian wool.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
So I use a Brazilian wool to thread. So I roll out a very long portion of the wool, then cut it into 2 equal parts because I'm gonna be using both. So as you can see there, it's 2 equal parts. So one of the parts is what I'm gonna be using first to thread, okay? And in this part, I just want you to listen very carefully. In this part, I'm not gonna make it equal. One side will be longer than one side. I don't know if you can see that. One side is longer than the other side of it, okay? So thread gently to cover the hair properly, okay?
We'll never be alone, Savannah.
So as you can see from the video, I added the remaining half of the wool that I cut before because the one I'm using to thread reduced, and I then continue threading to the exact length that I want. So when threading, you can go long or short depending on how you want it.
Searching for a longer day, people feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.
So I added one long strand of yarn wool to the tip to secure it, and also I'm gonna be using it as well to secure the fold from losing at the end. So just watch and see what I'm gonna do with it.
Savannah. Let's go. morning.
So this is the most interesting part, guys. You know, you measure the length, make sure that they have the same length, okay, before you start folding. It's very easy. You hold it with with your left hand or your right hand, depending which one works for you, and then start folding it upwards. Very easy, as you can see the way I'm doing it right there. Fold it upwards until finish, then secure it tightly with that thread, okay, that yarn thread you added at the tip, and that is it. You can see the way it's looking right there, looking so beautiful. Now with this thread you then secure it tightly so it won't lose, okay, and that's it, guys.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy, but
So this is it, guys. As you can see, the star, you know, is popping in the middle, and I used gel, you know, to smoothen the edges to make it look more beautiful and more defined as well. And to be frank with you, she got a lot of you know, compliments, especially from her school. And I think I'm gonna be doing her this particular hair more often, especially for her school. Because this is one of the easiest style I've ever created. I'm not gonna lie. And like I said before, it's beginner friendly. You know, if you don't know how to braid, you don't know how to make hair at all, this style is for you. You can easily create this style on your baby girl, and she's gonna be looking beautiful all the time. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so, because I have a lot of beautiful hairstyle like this one to show you guys. For now, guys, bye.